Hi there! Do you also love honey mustard dressing on your salad? It's always delicious, right? Today we're making a honey mustard sauce to go with our chicken. It goes super fast and is really easy.
Welcome to Cooking Lessons. From now on, I'll show you the best tips and tricks for your kitchen. So let's cook something nice together and turn you into a pro.
For each person, 1 chicken breast. Then we have 1 onion, 1 clove of garlic, a bit of olive oil for sautéing, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 3 tablespoons of honey, and a little cream. That's 200 milliliters to top it off, salt and pepper, and that's it. That sounds really super easy, and whether you use young mustard or any other, like a nice Bautzner mustard, it's no problem at all. We're starting with the chicken breasts. And yes, you can sauté in olive oil. You just shouldn't bring it close to its smoke point. But for just a little moment with a chicken breast, it works really well and tastes great too. Sear briefly on both sides. So, after 2 minutes, we already have a little bit of color. And when we have color, we also have flavor. We're doing the same thing on this side. The chicken is almost done. We can start by chopping our onion into fine cubes because it will add a lot of flavor to the sauce and also help thicken it a bit. I always slice the garlic first. And once I've chopped it like that, and now I can dice it wonderfully. Here we go quickly, and you don't have all the time in the world. The fingers in garlic. So the chicken breasts have taken on a nice color. We take them out, and now we're going to add the onions and garlic to the pan. And we just sweat it all for a moment so the onions become translucent and the garlic starts to smell a bit. That's the secret of this little recipe. Quick cooking, everything in one pan. So the onion also needs to be seasoned. Finally, we're going to make the sauce from this right away. A little salt, a little pepper. Be careful not to let the onions and garlic turn brown. They're getting a bit of color here. Those are also the roasting bits from the chicken. That's intentional. And now we're adding the mustard. Wow, that smells amazing. And also our honey right away. I can only recommend it to you. It smells so good. It's incredible. And now we're going to deglaze this base with our cream. So this is what we have here. We're going to let it simmer a bit so that the sauce thickens on its own. No starch, no flour, nothing at all. Just reduce it. That's a dream, right? This is already restaurant quality. And we can see these slightly thick bubbles rising. That means we already have a nice binding in there. It's going to intensify even more, and we're taking this opportunity to add our chicken breasts. And we're going to let the chicken breasts soak in this sauce on low heat for about 5 minutes. And of course, this works best with the lid on, and we can invite our guests to the table. So, let's take a look inside. That looks excellent. Look at the sauce. Well, that is super delicious. We can even turn our chicken over here once more. Look at that. And the sauce, as it reduces, is just perfect. Quickly plate it up. And on top of that, we'll add a bit of this wonderful honey mustard sauce. A little bit of something green on top. And we say bon appétit. The most interesting thing is, of course, the chicken breast, how it is now. Oh, look. So white as snow. And you can see how juicy it is. So it really can't get any better than this. I'm going to cut off a little piece. This chicken has an incredibly good flavor and is super tender. Really great. The sauce stands out because of the sweetness from the honey and the sharpness of the mustard. What are we having with it? Maybe a nice potato pancake. That goes perfectly. I wish you all a lot of fun recreating this. Bye.
If you enjoyed this video and want to take your culinary skills to the next level, be sure to check out this next video. It's packed with even more tips and tricks that will help you become a master chef in no time. And don't forget to subscribe to Cooking Lessons for more delicious content every week. It's easier than you think.